So since it's been implemented, one of the major changes we've noticed is we have the capability of, seeing leaks under side of vehicles, dents, scratches, dings, things like that, that you may be blamed for while it's in our possession, being worked on. Everything down to tire sales at the desk rather than waiting on a technician to send an estimate. So we've seen some pretty tremendous growth, and it's been actually a very valuable asset.
Well, they react, everybody reacts differently. They don't even have an idea what was wrong with the vehicle to begin with. And they think the car is perfect, and then they realize that actually it's not. So that definitely helps a lot to put a value in something that is not perfect.